Conversion of ER model into relational table. So now in the last video we have discussed about the ER diagram representations of a particular scenario. So here now we can convert the complete ER diagram into a particular table. So every entity can be converted as a relational table. So which it can be represented as weak entity set with one simple attributes. So strong entity set as well as with the simple attribute will require only one table in relationship model. So which represents a strong entity. And the attributes of the table will be attributes of the entity set. The primary key of the table will be the key attribute of the whole entity set here. So the strong entity set with the composite attributes are described as follows here. So here student is the entity and registration number, name, street, city, address and date of birth are the attributes of the student. Here in the name, the composite attributes we have the first name and the last name. So the complete ER diagram can be represented as a relational table. So with the strong entity with the multi-valued attributes also can be represented. So here the multi-valued attributes may be the phone number. So every student can have more than one contact number. So it can be represented as a multi-valued attribute. And strong entity set with the multi-valued attributes are represented in the ER diagram as described in this picture. And translating the relationship set into a table, so which can be the relationship set. So here the employee and works in and the department. Here the department ID, employee number, department ID and date of join. So here the schema, so which works in employee number and department ID and date of join can be represented. So this is how we can translate a relationship set into a table. So here, as we discussed in the previous videos, one-to-one relationships, mapping cardinality can be arised in ER diagram also. So which can be converted into the relational table here. So mapping cardinalities with the binary relationships with the cardinality ratios of 1:1 and this is a 1:m, so which is 1:many and many is to 1 and many to many relationships can be described here. Thank you.